Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a newly launched Indian skincare brand, that is Aqualogica. Aqualogica is a water-based hydration brand and all of their products have light gel-like textures which are perfect for Indian skin and for the Indian weather. Most of the brands in the market don't really have products for Indian skin. Their products either feel too heavy on our skin, and that's why we really needed a skincare brand that is tailor-made for Indian skin and for the Indian climate, and that's where Aqualogica steps in. So I have three Aqualogica products with me. The first one is their Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Face Serum. Then we have Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Sorbet Cream. And lastly we have Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Sunscreen. I'm going to be reviewing all of these three products one by one and also show you a demo of how to use them. The main ingredients of all of these three products is coconut water and hyaluronic acid, which are both very hydrating ingredients for your skin, and hyaluronic acid also helps to retain the moisture into your skin, keeping your skin well hydrated for a longer time. Moreover, all Aqualogica products have a patented water lock technology which helps to lock all of the moisture into your skin, leaving your skin soft and supple. Also, Aqualogica is a vegan brand and a cruelty-free brand, and they have this commitment of providing access to clean drinking water for all those who are in need. So every single time that you purchase from them, you will be doing a little bit for the society as well. So firstly, I'm going to review the Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Face Serum. The serum is very lightweight and it gets absorbed into your skin in absolutely no time, and it helps to increase your skin hydration by 83%. It feels absolutely non-sticky and non-oily on the skin, and it makes your skin look so dewy and so supple. You only need about 3 to 4 drops of this serum for your entire face, and I just love what it does to the skin. And moreover, it's amazing for oily skin, for combination skin, for the summer season. It's that lightweight. You're not going to feel like you have anything on your skin, and in spite of that, your skin is going to look so hydrated. The second product that I'm going to be reviewing and applying is this Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Sorbet Cream. This again has a gel-like texture, and once you apply it on your skin, it seeps into your skin so fast. I think this is amazing for normal to dry skin or for the winter time. It's so moisturizing, so nourishing on the skin, and yet feels so lightweight, looks absolutely non-sticky and non-oily, and in spite of that moisturizes your skin so well. This also acts as an amazing pre-makeup base product, because when you apply this, it makes your skin look so dewy and so supple, and when you apply base makeup on top of this, that is foundations and concealers, it ensures that the healthiness, the dewiness of your skin peeks through the makeup. So overall it makes your skin look more flawless, more dewy. Thirdly, I'm going to be reviewing this Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Sunscreen. Now this contains an SPF of 50 PA++, and it gives you both UVA and UVB protection. Along with that, it also protects your skin against blue light that is emitted out of electronics. So it gives you overall skin protection whether you're indoors or whether you're outdoors. And this is my absolute favorite out of all of the Aqualogica products, because I absolutely love the consistency of this. So it has a gel-like consistency, and it gets absorbed into the skin so fast. It does not look oily or sticky like most of the sunscreens out there. It does not leave any white cast on the skin like most of the sunscreens, and yet it feels so lightweight on the skin. You won't feel like you have anything on, and in spite of that, it's going to protect your skin against sun tanning and against the UV rays of the sun. I think this is the best sunscreen that I've ever tried, and it just makes for a perfect sunscreen for the summertime because it's non-oily, non-sticky, so lightweight. Amazing for winters as well because it hydrates your skin at the same time while protecting your skin. So it's suitable for all skin types, it's suitable for all seasons of the year, and yeah, it's the best sunscreen that I've ever tried so far. So that was my review on Aqualogica skincare products. I think this is an amazing tailor-made skincare brand for the Indian skin, for the Indian weather, and their products are so good. You saw them for yourself how good they were. They hydrate the skin without feeling too heavy, too oily, too sticky, and in spite of that, they hydrate your skin so well. They make your skin look so plump, so dewy, and so supple. So that's why I absolutely love Aqualogica as a skincare brand, and I think their products are fabulous. You definitely need to check out Aqualogica products, and the best part is that they have an introductory offer going on their website, where if you use my coupon code Riya20, you'll be getting a 20% off. But keep in mind that this offer is not going to last long. It's just a introductory launch offer, so make the most out of it. The products are very, very promising and you're definitely going to love them, I promise.
They're also available on Amazon and Nykaa.
The links to purchase all of the products is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. So that was my review on Aqualogica skincare products. I hope this review was helpful for y'all. If it was, then please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and also let me know in the comments below what other products would you like me to review. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.